Imagine a grand library with books scattered everywhere, on the floor, on desks, and even hanging from the ceiling. Finding the book you need becomes a Herculean task. Similarly, in education research, unorganized data is like that chaotic library. Today, we're talking about tidy data, a set of principles that makes your data easier to manage. Hi, I'm Courtney, and here we talk all about education research and data. So if you're into that, be sure to subscribe to this channel and come be a part of our community. In the realm of data, tidy doesn't just mean neat. It's a specific set of structures that makes analysis more straightforward and insightful. Developed by Hadley Wickham, these principles were set forth to help data scientists and statisticians streamline their data processing efforts. Adopting these principles will help you work with your data more efficiently. Let's explore the 5 core principles of tidy data. Number 1, columns represent variables. Each column in your dataset should clearly represent one specific variable. This structure is crucial because it avoids confusion and ensures that each piece of data can be easily assessed and analyzed. For example, in a dataset about student performance, the columns should clearly be defined, such as student name, grade, subject, and score. This setup means that each variable, name, grade, subject, score, is consistently represented in its own column, facilitating easier analysis and manipulation of each variable independently. Number 2, rows represent observations. Each row should contain all the information related to a single observation. In the context of our student performance example, each row would represent a single student. This organization allows you to see all the relevant data about an observation in one place, making it straightforward to compare observations or track changes over time. Number 3, each type of observational unit forms a table. Different observational units, such as student demographics and exam scores, should be organized into separate tables. This separation helps maintain clarity and organization, especially when different data types do not necessarily relate directly to each other. By using unique identifiers for each student, you can link these tables together. This method of organization preserves the integrity of your data structure and facilitates complex analyses that may involve joining different tables based on these unique identifiers. Number 4, consistent values. Consistency in how you represent data values is crucial for accurate analysis. For example, choose a single convention for representing missing data, like always using NA across all datasets. Inconsistencies, such as sometimes using not available or just leaving some blanks, can lead to errors in data processing and analysis, as different tools and scripts might handle these inconsistencies differently. Number 5, appropriate data types. Data should always be stored in a format that reflects its nature and the operations you intend to perform with it. If you're dealing with grades that you might need to average or perform statistical analysis on, they should be stored as numeric values. Storing them as text would prevent mathematical operations and lead to complications and more work down the road. Similarly, dates should be stored in a date format to enable time-based analysis. By carefully applying these 5 principles of tidy data, you ensure that your data sets are not only easy to manage, but also primed for any analysis you need to perform. Structuring your data properly from the beginning can save a significant amount of time and prevent common errors in data analysis. If you found value in this video today, make sure to like and subscribe, and check out some of the other videos in this playlist. I'll see you next time.